right now our microwave is very dirty, so to clean it out, what I'm going to do is pour a little bit of vinegar into a cup and a little bit of salt. Let's make salty vinegar. And then let's just put that in the really dirty microwave and put it in there for a minute. Now that the 1 minute is up, we can just start scraping up here on the roof. It's very dirty, and you can see it just wipes off a lot easier. Of course, this stuff is really baked on here, so it's always going to be tricky to get off, but this just makes it easier. So now it's done. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now the cup is going to be very hot, but now everything is really nice and it just wipes right off. So we put it in for about 3 minutes, and then before that another 3 minutes. And once it does that, it just makes everything come right off. And it will make kind of like the room smell like vinegar, so just beware of that. So now the microwave is nice and clean, and it's very simple, just with some vinegar and salt. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.